Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in artificial intelligence, AI agents. You've probably heard the term floating around, but what exactly does it mean? And why is it becoming such a big deal in 2025? Let's find out. At its simplest, an AI agent is a software program that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve a goal. In other words, an AI agent isn't just following fixed instructions. It's capable of adapting and acting intelligently, almost like a digital assistant that can think for itself. Here's an easy way to think about it. Imagine you're using a navigation app. You type in your destination, and the app doesn't just give you one path. It checks traffic conditions, road closures, and even predicts delays to suggest the best route. That's an example of an intelligent agent at work. AI agents usually follow a cycle. They sense the environment, process information, decide on the best action, and then act. And with every interaction, they can learn and improve over time. Now, AI agents come in different types. Some are very simple, like rule-based agents that just follow if this, then that logic. Others are more advanced, like learning agents that use machine learning to adapt and improve. Then we have multi-agent systems, where several agents work together to solve complex problems, like traffic management in a smart city. In recent years, we've seen AI agents becoming far more powerful thanks to advances in natural language processing and large language models. For example, modern AI agents can now hold conversations, generate code, schedule tasks, and even interact with other software tools. You might have already used them without realizing it, in customer support chatbots, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, or automated trading systems in finance. But AI agents go beyond just answering questions. They can actually autonomously complete tasks. For example, imagine an AI agent that manages your email inbox. It could sort your messages, prioritize important ones, draft responses, and even schedule meetings, all with minimal human input. That's where the true power of AI agents lies. So what are the benefits? First, they save time by automating repetitive tasks. Second, they reduce errors by analyzing data and making evidence-based decisions. Third, they scale efficiently, which means one agent can serve thousands of users at once. And finally, they enhance user experience by providing personalized and proactive support. Of course, AI agents also come with challenges. They require high-quality data, strong security, and careful oversight to prevent bias or misuse. There are also ethical concerns about giving too much autonomy to AI systems. That's why responsible AI practices are so important in this space. In terms of tools and platforms, some of the most popular ones for building AI agents include LangChain, AutoGPT, CrewAI, Microsoft Copilot, and OpenAI-powered frameworks. These platforms allow developers to create agents that can connect with APIs, databases, and even other AI systems. When it comes to careers, AI agents are opening up a whole new set of opportunities. From AI agent developers to automation specialists and AI product managers, professionals with knowledge of this field are going to be in high demand. If you're learning AI in 2025, gaining skills in building and deploying intelligent agents could give you a huge career boost. So to sum it all up, AI agents are software programs that perceive their environment, make decisions, and act to achieve goals. They can be simple or advanced, and they're increasingly being used in everything from customer support to finance, healthcare, and personal productivity. They save time, reduce errors, and provide smarter automation, making them one of the most exciting areas in artificial intelligence right now. That's it for today's explainer on AI agents.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetguide.net.